Few people know about this salad, including myself. It is my husband who told me about it. His grandma used to make it for him. The main component is leek. Yes, you can eat them raw and they're delicious. All you have to do is rinse them. You need only the cylinder, not the leaves at the end. But don't throw them away, they make soup better. All you have to do is separate and wash them thoroughly one by one, because they have dirt trapped in between. You can make a salad for 2 to 3 people from 2 leeks. Cut them in thin slices, about 1/8 inch, that is approximately 3 millimeters. Then you need the juice from half a lemon. Or you can use vinegar, about 2 tablespoons if you prefer. Transfer the lemon juice in a small salad bowl. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. To finish the salad dressing, add 1/4 cup of oil, that is equal to 4 tablespoons. Mix all the ingredients together a little. Then add the leek slices. You can mix with the dressing. This is the basic leek salad. You can also add other vegetables like radishes or celery stalks. I like to add a few radishes because of the crispiness and red color. Add the radish slices to the salad bowl. All that is left to do is mix everything together. You can make this salad in less than 5 minutes. It is very healthy and delicious. It goes well with most meats. You can add more spices to it like pepper or celery seeds. Enjoy!